This is our first calculator-based tip, and it's pretty awesome. We have this equation to solve on the calculator section of the test. It's number 27 out of 30, so it's not easy. Now, we could do it by hand, but there's always the risk of making an error. What if you could enter it directly into your calculator and have it solve the equation for you? Guess what? You can. Now, the only caveat is that you need the TI-84 plus CE edition. So let's solve this problem. First thing we must do is circle what the question is asking for, 3x minus 2. They may have a trap answer for the value of x, but the problem doesn't want x. It wants 3x minus 2. Now let's go to the calculator and check out how to use Numeric Solver. So here I have pulled up in front of us the TI-84 plus CE emulator, and basically you're just looking at me exactly as if I was using the calculator itself. So how do we get to Numeric Solver? Pretty easy. You're just going to hit the math button, and then I would actually just hit the up arrow. You'll get it faster, and it's choice C. On some calculators it might be choice B. It just depends when you got your calculator. So we'll just hit enter, and now comes equation solver. This is your Numeric Solver. E1 simply stands for the left side of your equation. So let's go ahead and enter it. It was 2/3, and I'm going to be careful and put that in parentheses just so I don't have any PEMDAS issues. So 2/3, and then times 9x minus 6. You don't actually have to put the times sign. It understands that back-to-back parentheses means multiplication. So we put that in, and now we're going to go 9x. To hit x, you're just hitting the button directly to the right of alpha, and minus 6. Close the parentheses, and then minus 4. And that is the left side of your equation. Now hit the down arrow, and we want to put in E2. E2 stands for the right side of your equation. That's just 9x minus 6. So we're going to go 9, hit the x button. Again, that's directly to the right of the green alpha button, minus 6. Now, don't hit enter, because this is an app, so you really need to hit the button which is directly beneath OK. That's your graph button. So we're going to hit graph. And you do need to hit this button one more time to solve it. And if you do, you get the answer, which is negative 0.6 repeating. That's definitely the answer you're looking for. You basically want to wait until it shows that E1 minus E2 equals 0. At that point, it means the equation has been solved for you. So x is negative 0.6 repeating. So that's essentially negative 2/3. So what we can do is quit out of this. And let's remember that we're really trying to find the value of 3x minus 2. So we're just going to go 3 times parentheses negative 2/3, because that was our value for x, and minus 2. And there's your answer, negative 4. Okay, so let's pick A, negative 4. By the way, did you notice that they did have x equals negative 2/3 as one of the answer choices? That's why it's crucial to always circle what the question is asking for so we don't make careless errors. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel to get frequent tips, tricks, strategies, and tutorials on standardized tests. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.